Can you show me how to cook? How to cook with WIC this week? How to cook with WIC this week?
Hello, kids. Welcome to another episode of WIC del Norte, Kids in the Kitchen. Today we are making scrambled eggs on toast. Here are the ingredients that we will be using today: eggs, bread, butter. With assistance from your designated grown-up unit, begin egg cracking sequence into a bowl. Let's get cracking. Beep, boop.
Good job, baby.
Egg count complete. Now, initiating stir mode. Gently mix the eggs in the bowl. Warning, potential mess detected. Please activate grown-up assistance for optimal safety. Beep, beep, stir. Cooking sequence initiated. Carefully pour the egg mixture into a frying pan. Grown-up assistance required for this step. Use a spatula to stir until eggs are fully cooked. Scramble success in progress. Visual sensors confirm those eggs are egg-cellent. Taste levels reaching maximum delight. One last thing before it's mealtime. Yum mode, almost engaged. Toast protocol activated. Insert bread into the toaster and cook until your desired level of toastiness is achieved. Crispy status. Loading. Final step activated. Place your delicious scrambled eggs onto a buttered piece of toast. Mission complete. Enjoy your tasty creation. Yum mode engaged. Num approved.